Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 95% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 95% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, $1,357, into your calculator. Press the multiply button and multiply by 5. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 5? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 95% discount means you are paying 95% less than the original price. So if you take 95% away from 100%, you are left with 5%. In other words, paying 5% off the original price means you are saving 95%. So by multiplying the original price by 5, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 5% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, let's press that percentage button and voila! The final amount after a 95% off is 67.85. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at $2,450. Let's press that multiply button, multiply by 5, press the percentage button. So after a 95% off, the final price comes out to be $122.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 95% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.